All right, everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And let's kind of dive in right here and take a look at what's happening. So CPI came in hotter than expected, but lo and behold, the markets rallied on that news. For a minute, they looked like they were going to fall apart, but they ended up holding fine. And they got caught a lot of people by confusion. Gosh, isn't high CPI supposed to be bad? Doesn't that mean that the Fed's going to raise rates? Guess what? The market knows that, and that is all priced into So what I'm looking for here over the next several weeks is that the squeeze does fire long. This does catch people off guard, and we do retest the August highs, which were around 306, give or take, 306, 306.50, 306.75. We are currently, what did we close at today? We are at 2 daily, Yeah, so it's not a huge move from here, right? I think if we look at it in terms of the NASDAQ, NDX, it's about, because we're at 12,600, so that would be about 13,500 there, give or take. So, that's a healthy rally from where we are. So what are the ways to participate in it? Do we want to do a dead cat bounce stock like PayPal? Well, no, because it's not, it hasn't rallied, and I don't think it's going to participate. Tesla is Tesla. And obviously it'll benefit from a NASDAQ rally, and maybe it gets up to 250, but that's going to be super volatile. But on something like this, kind of a, the tried and true tech stock here is Apple. Apple didn't get too crazy to the downside. It's not going to get too crazy to the upside. And of course, you can always do QQQ. But that's what I'm looking at. So that's in the short term. So what about spiders? I think spiders also here are in line to test the August highs. And if we look at this, and again, I'm just looking for this, maybe over the next 3 weeks or so, give or take, that would take us, it's about a 12 to 15 point move in the spiders. That's actually, obviously a pretty big move. You can see that there is a huge squeeze setting up here as well. All right, that's what we got. So no bearishness for me yet, but if and when we can test these levels, then there'll be, I think, a different plan of action at that point. But for now, this is what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm playing for. All right, hope it helps. Have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.